If you want to use a memory card or microSD card on POCO M8 5G, then in this case you can use the SIM tray, because we can find the memory card slot, on the SIM tray. So here we have the SIM tray with the SIM tray hole. We need to use the eject tool that you can find inside the box. Put the eject tool into the SIM tray hole and then push it into the phone to make it slightly pop out like this. You can use your fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray. And there we go. Now in my case, I actually have two SIM cards. On the reverse side, as you can see, we have the SD card slot, which I have to actually remove the second SIM. As you can see, this is a hybrid slot. So you can either use SIM card number 2 or the microSD card. And we're just gonna insert, let's try to insert actually. I'm not sure which way it goes in. And I hope we can actually insert it properly. There we go, I believe this is the correct way. There we go. I also heard a little click, so this is the correct way to insert it. Over here we have space for that wider part. And once you do so, and of course make sure that it is properly inserted and it doesn't stick out, then we can insert the SIM tray back into the phone and slide it all the way in, and there we go. Make sure it doesn't stick out from the phone. Subscribe to my channel.